Hello everyone, this is Mayank Sangvi from vlemon.com and I am back with new video on SQL Server 2014 interview questions. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to find your SQL Server version. So let's start. Okay, I'm going to show you multiple methods. Let's check first method. You can check your SQL Server Management Studio version by connecting on SQL Server Management Studio. So let's open SQL Server Management Studio and then connect to Object Explorer, and here is your SQL Server version. So in my machine I have two SQL Server. So this is SQL Server 2014 and this is SQL Server 2012. So how to open SQL Server Management Studio? Simple. Open run and type SSMS and enter. Here my new SQL Server Management Studio is open, and in this I am connecting my 2014 SQL Server database, and this is my SQL Server 2014 version. Okay, this is the first method, and in my first method I have alternatives. First, check it in Object Explorer. You can also check in the properties. How to open properties? Right click and properties. So here is the version. Properties is also available in view property window, and this is the property window. In this you can check SQL Server version is available here. You can also, I'm not recommending this method. Why? Because you can check from about. I think this only shows the SQL Server version or SQL Server with it is installed. So this is SQL Server Management Studio 2014. So it is only showing SQL Server 2014 version information. Now second method, you can check error log, and you can find error log in your C program files, Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL n is n dot in MS SQL log, and here X is your drive letter where your SQL Server is installed, N and IN. N is your SQL Server version and IN is your instance name. So let's compare this with my machine path. So here it is. Control C and Control V to paste. C program file Microsoft SQL Server, and it is 12 dot instance name. My SQL Server instance name is J14, and in this you have to open error log file, and this is the error log file. In this you can find SQL Server version available here, and it's also showing which bit or which architecture it is. It is a 64 bit or 32 bit version of SQL Server. Next method, you can execute select @ version. Okay, maximum people knows this method. If you are preparing for interview, then you have to show the interviewer that you have something special, you know lots of things. So I just show you these three methods. Now let's know the fourth method. In this method you have to execute this query: select server property product version, server property product level. execute this query, and this query returns your product version, and this is my product version. Product level is RTM. Now execute this query in SQL Server 2012 and check the output. This is version, product version, and this is product level. And method 5, if anyone knows other methods to check SQL Server or SQL Server versions, please share with others. Leave a comment with your method. If possible, I am going to add those methods in my new videos. So that's it for this video. Best of luck for your interview, and thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye guys.